Synaptics at Embedded World 2026. Really excited to showcase all of our technological leadership positions through various demos at the show, extending from Edge AI applications to physical AI applications. And you can see many demos showcasing our processor capabilities with NPU, our wireless connectivity with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, BLE, and also our sensing capabilities with our capacitive touch and video bridge implementations here at Embedded World. The world of physical AI and Edge AI applications are going to be needing latency minimal, untethered experiences, and that effectively requires wireless capabilities that are going to scale to a newer level. Synaptics 7650 with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, BLE, and Thread is exactly what is needed for these applications. Synaptics 7650 is world's first Wi-Fi 7, 2.4, 5 gigahertz, 6 gigahertz, Bluetooth 6 BLE, Thread supporting, fully driver-offloaded SoC that's available to the marketplace. Really excited about Synaptics taking a leadership position in Edge AI with this level of wireless connectivity integrated into a single SoC solution. Not only that, Synaptics is launching a developer kit, which is EVK or Evaluation Kit for Synaptics 7650, and it fully encompasses all the instructions that a developer needs and a board, a dev board that comes with it for under $10. You can get it off our website or here at the show. I'm also really excited about Synaptics launching SRW1500 Astra class MCU implementation that comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, integrated MCU with NPU, and having the ability to run multimodal implementations on this monolithic single silicon SoC. It is also available for mass market deployment and samples at this stage. I'm also very happy to see our One Synaptics larger organization coming together in developing these SoCs, Synaptics 7650 and Astra SRW1500. It showcases the collaboration across the organization, bringing the processor IP, the neural processor IP, the wireless connectivity for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Thread all together in building out these two SoC platforms. Again, SRW1500, the Astra class MCU, connected MCU, and a fully offloaded Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Thread SoC in Synaptics 7650. Again, really happy that our teams collaborate the way they do to bring these world-class solutions to the marketplace for Embedded World, and as well enabling Edge AI applications come to life.